Okay, in this video I'm gonna be doing an experiment. I'm gonna be dual booting Windows XP and Windows 7 Superlight on a computer that cannot boot from USB. So first we're gonna plug my USB in because I'm gonna be doing a different method for this. So we plugged it in. I have Windows 7 32-bit on here. I'll show you the specs when I turn it on. But like, I gotta do something different if I want to get it to how I want. Because I have a Windows 2000 installer in there. So yeah. And that computer over there is it's gonna be a review series. It's gonna be in the review series. But yeah, there's gonna be a few videos on this computer, so hope you guys enjoy it. Let's turn it on. Turn you on. It's running Windows XP right now. Sorry if the display is glitching. It's how it is on camera. We're just unfortunate. I'm going to be doing the partition method. And yeah, okay, this is what happens. Diskette drive error because I don't have it plugged in on this computer. I'm going to show me. Okay, I'm back. We're just going to go to F2 because the CMOS is dead. And there's a fly. But yeah, we're going to be back when we're at the desktop. Okay, we're at the desktop now. My mouse is not working. Need to wait for the driver. Need to wait for the driver to install. But I did install a PS2 keyboard because the light up one was it just made the computer hang up, so yeah. A PS2 keyboard for this system it is. But I gotta wait for the mouse to work. So yeah, I'll just be back. Okay, now that I just tried a different USB port. Before I get started, I'll show the specs. I did not want to search, but whatever. 512, oh, shut up, search. But 512 megs of RAM, 1.8 gigahertz Celeron CPU. This computer originally ran 256, but we're gonna get Windows 7 on here, and we're gonna get this is the normal 32. This is normal, like the normal release of Windows 7, so nothing special about it. And ignore the bad color. It's because the graphics processor in here is really bad. Literally, it looks like this part of the screen's cracked, but it's not. It's the fact that it's running in 4-color mode. But hopefully when I get 7 on here, it'll work better. So setup is starting. It's going to be a longer video, so I hope you guys like this. I'm going to be posting a lot more because I'm on spring break and I'm getting given computers, so do not get the latest updates, except it's custom and next. Because yeah, this is not going to be the permanent install. But yeah, now that we're this looks like Vista, honestly, but now while it does this, I'll just be back when it reboots, because it'll probably look a lot better. So yeah, I'll just be back when it reboots, so we don't have this disgusting thing to look at. Okay, it's not like this is any better, because, again, I think it's the graphics processor that sucks. But who knows, we might get something better later. So basically, while this does things, before I cut, I'm gonna just talk about what's gonna be going on. So like, on this channel, I'm going to be probably posting a lot more because I'm on spring break finally. Because I have a lot of ideas. Hopefully going to get some new headsets so I can screen record over here and at my mom's house. And expect a lot more computer reviews after spring break because those videos are much easier to make. And they only take me a few hours. So, like, after spring break, like, after this week, I'm probably not going to be posting. I'm going to be back to posting normally instead of just how often I will be this week. Like every other day, I think I'm going to be posting this week, as long as I have some devices or ideas. But yeah, this is going to be. So yeah, this might take me a while because this is on much older hardware. So yeah, I'll be back when this is done because I already talked about everything that's going on. Ignore the background noise. I forgot to pause the video, that I'm watching. But we got some better looking display now, so that's good. But it's not finished yet, and I'm gonna let it finish. I could probably take out my flash drive, but I don't want to yet because I got some stuff. I got one program I need to install. So yeah, we're just gonna wait till it wants me to set it up. Okay, so we're here. Click next. If it'll do anything, I'm gonna just click. I'm just gonna make the user. I'm just gonna make the user because I don't want a password because I'm not keeping this installed whatsoever. No product key. Again, I'm not keeping this installed. I'm doing this just to mess with partitions. I'll just assume that because of. But yeah, I don't need internet. I didn't unplug my flash drive because there's a program I need. But yeah. But it's in full color now. That's nice. Again, that computer over there is going to be in our computer review video in probably a few weeks. So stay tuned for that if you want to see it. This one will be a longer video. So hope you guys enjoy that. This resolution is 640 by 480. I've never seen Windows 7 in this low resolution. I'm going to change this before anything. Preparing your desktop. Because I need to make a smaller partition. Okay, so we're on Windows 7 now. I'm gonna install the program I need so I can get this flash drive out. And it's easy BCD. It's running at really low resolution. It's running at 640 by 480. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm gonna get that on here. And then partition, then make a partition. Once it's done, I'm gonna. Not yet, I don't need it yet. And now we can get rid of that. And now we can go to. Wait, no, not properties, but yeah, I can show you the specs, even though I already did. Yeah, we're gonna go to computer, manage, because but we're also gonna see how much storage this is taking. No, not that much. I'm also curious how much memory is being used, and I can tell you it's gonna be quite a bit. 291 out of 512, so. It'll be easier just to do this. Okay, we're not. Because as soon as I was about to search it, it just ran. Yeah, the CMOS is dead, so it's thinking it's January 1st, 2002, which I don't mind right now. I'll change it before I reinstall, that's for sure. But yeah, we'll be back when this is loading, when it's done loading. And I'll change the date while that happens. Okay, so now that it finally loaded, we're going to shrink the volume. And now this is going to take a bit. Like, I've already started making Windows 7 Super Light Media, and this is going to probably take forever too. But I did change the date, so it is the correct date. I did not change the time. I'll do that when it's actually more important. Because I'm going to be dual booting XP and 7 Super Light. And I'm going to need to start with my 2000 in media, but I want to get the partitioning done in 7 while I can. Because this thing cannot boot from USB, so. And I'm going to get it to work. Yeah, I'll be back when this is done. Okay, wow, I already got all my stuff off of this drive. Well, before I got the 7 install media done. Yeah, here's how my computer's doing, by the way. for those interested. Yeah, I'm using it's been good. It's been working good for me. So again, probably in just another like 2 weeks, I'll expect the 8.1 review. And probably Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a video upgrading it to 10. But yeah, we're still waiting here, and my install media finished. So yeah, we'll just be back when this is done. Okay, so now now it finally did its thing. So now we're gonna get about 1.5 gigs, so I can have enough space because the ISO is only like 600 megs. So yeah, we're just gonna get that done real quick, and because I'm just gonna cut that because it's gonna take forever. Okay, that didn't take as long as I thought. So now we're gonna make new simple volume, go through this whole process, and I'm gonna name it installer. Okay, yeah. And then once it's done, we're gonna spend some time getting some. It's only 1.5 gigs because the install media is only, it's about 600 megs. Okay, so now I'm gonna get out. Okay, so now we're gonna get my install media and then do that. This really shouldn't take that long. 654 megabytes. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait for this to get done. Okay, so now we're gonna do the easy BCD thing. Yes. And I don't need this flash drive anymore. And the screen went black. And that's because my poor VGA connection. This thing really does suck. There we go. So yeah, now we're gonna wait for easy BCD to do its thing. And my computer went to sleep. Hard drive is busy, that's lovely. Oh, there we go. We're gonna delete the earlier version of Windows boot entry, and then add a new entry. When PE. This does not work very good on 512 megs of RAM, so I'm just gonna get the. Well, I'm gonna wait for this to load. I'm gonna set it up on camera. I'm pretty sure I did this right, so now we're just gonna restart. Okay, so we're gonna try this, and if this doesn't work, I did it wrong. Okay, we're gonna see what I can do. Okay, I had to do it a different way because I couldn't see, so we'll see if it does anything. So far, it is rebooted. And right now we gotta see what's gonna happen because it just rebooted, and I want to see if anything happened. F8. We're gonna see if it blue screens. Oh. Okay. Well, that happened. That's what I had to do because that's what happens, I gotta make sure it installed fine. But yeah, I'm gonna do this again. Okay, so I did it again. We'll see if it works. There we go, I think it worked this time. But we gotta see if it reboots. Because if it reboots, I did something. But I think we got it. Did it reboot? Oh, no it didn't. Let's go. It's gonna be a longer video. I hope you, because I already mentioned that like 3 times, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm really hoping deleting that drive won't delete the partition. Yeah, we'll be back when we have to get to that point. Okay, we got it to work. Yay. It's Windows 7 Superlight. Pump my neck. That felt good. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot more complicated than it needs to be because I didn't need to, I did not need to make I would not have needed to make that partition if it could have just booted from USB. Because then I wouldn't have had to install Windows 7, the normal version, which is stupid. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna be back when this is gonna get me somewhere. I'm just gonna skip this install process because I literally showed it in the last few clips, so I'll just be back when we're at a desktop. Okay, just getting here took forever. Okay, this. Oh, lovely. I gotta do something else. I have to use command prompt to format this drive because I don't want Windows.old stuff on here. And this is gonna take, and of course this is gonna take a while, like everything else this computer needs. This video has already taken me over an hour, so this video is gonna take me a long time, so I really hope you guys like it. Okay, this drive is finally formatted. That took like over half an hour, which is crazy. But now we're gonna get, this partition's just fine, so we want to install the disk partition 1, disk 0 partition 1, yeah. And then this will probably take a while, so I'll just be back when we're at a desktop, because this is gonna take forever. Okay, so we're here. I didn't expect this, so I can't type with one hand. This was my permanent install, and I won't, since this is an old system, I will not have a password. Yeah, sure. I'll set this up in another video, so make sure to subscribe for that, It is not 3 a.m., but, yeah. See you now, for real. I'll see you guys when we hit a desktop. Oh, or not, because I didn't need to cut that, as we're already at a desktop. It's preparing my desktop, and I'm pretty sure after this it's gonna restart because that's a typical 7 Superlight thing, But I think the install is slightly different because, this is a older system. Sorry if you heard that, I'm sorry. I'm goofy like that, dropping the screwdriver and everything. So yeah, I'll just be back when we're at the desktop. Okay, I'm gonna do a slight change of plans because I think it'll be easier, and then because I don't have very much time to record right now because my phone's about to die and it's gonna take up a lot of storage to get this done. So we're just gonna shrink this and put Windows Dual Boot, Windows 2000, which is what the install media I have is. And then I can update it to something special in another video. Because I'm gonna make a lot of videos with this computer. And maybe another older system I have. But yeah, I'm gonna shrink the disk space to half of it, so then... I'm stupid, I really need to get rid of this. I don't need it anymore. So yeah, so I'm gonna shrink the disk space, and then, I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so we got my Windows 2000 install media. It's a disk. I got the partition made, so I'm gonna get DVD drive will work just fine for me actually, so pop this disc in there, and reboot. Yeah, we're gonna restart now. And I think it's F9 for boot menu. I don't know what it is on this. Yeah, we want to boot to this DVD, so. Spinning F9. See what that does. Okay, so I'm gonna find how I can boot to this. Alright, so another change of plans, because it won't boot to the Windows 2000 media. It's detected in Windows Explorer, but it's not detected when I try booting the computer up. So I think we should dual boot Windows Vista and Windows 7 Superlight. So I gotta download Windows Vista media right now. And I'm actually gonna do it on this computer too, so yeah. Be right back. So for that, I plugged in my Wi-Fi adapter, so it does detect internet. Thank God. So we're gonna get connected to my Wi-Fi, and then yeah. Then I'm gonna install Windows Vista. Okay, for the next part of the video. So since I can't do it with Windows XP, I'm going to, well, my external hard drive is not detected, so let's fix that. So yeah, we're gonna be dual booting the RTM release of Windows Vista, so. Yeah, I had to install WinRAR because Windows 7's really. Then it's gonna. Yeah, this might take a while because this is much older hardware. So yeah, I'll be back when this is done and I can actually install. Okay, so we're here now. Check compatibility. I know the system's compatible. It's literally running Windows 7, but cause yeah, we're gonna install Windows Vista on the other partition. Because it won't boot to my Windows 2000 CD, so this is the oldest I can get right now. But yeah, maybe I'll get XP back on here one day, but you know, because there's a lot I can do. No, I don't. I have Windows Loader. No, I'll just skip. I have not used Windows Vista on physical hardware in so long. It's been at least since like 2019 or something. It's been a few years, that's for sure. Windows Vista Ultimate, but home base, Windows Vista Starter would probably work better on here. Yeah. This is every release though, that's handy. Set the license terms. Don't hang up, please. We're gonna be working with this guy. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be. Now we're just gonna be doing this for a little bit. So I'll be back when this is done because it's gonna take a while. Oh, excuse this. But yeah, we're here at a screen that we can actually use if it'll respond. Yeah, first gonna go to the cat. I'm gonna do my YouTube. No password. Did I seriously just... Okay. Oh, I don't want that picture. I want the kitty. And I'm not putting a password because this is an old system. I want this background. I always love that. No, ask me later. It is not 9:10. Last time I checked, it's 8:10. Yeah. And after this, we're gonna do. I don't have time to do stuff right now, but like, yeah, we're just gonna explore around, and see how much storage it used and everything, you know. That background doesn't look half bad on this display. I'm not gonna lie. But again, I'm pretty sure it's on 640 by 480, which is not a good resolution, especially for doing your daily tasks. So yeah, I'll be back when we're at it, when we're at the Windows startup logo. Hey, I started recording perfect timing. But yeah, now we're in Windows Vista and Windows 7. Just we're running Windows Vista right now, so. But yeah. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see with this computer in the comments. Reply it in the pinned comment. Preparing your desktop. This video took me like 6 hours to make, by the way, so like, I hope you'll like it. I already have a few ideas for this computer, so yeah. Okay, so we're here now. So we're gonna go to Computer, Properties. This is Windows Vista with no service packs. Because I'm gonna use Windows Loader to activate this one. I did it on Windows 7 on I just did that off camera. Activation status. I don't think it's activated, but like, you know. Oh, Welcome Center. I need to change that PC name. Waiting for the activation status. It says 510 megs. 1.0. Oh my lord. That's actually funny. It rates my computer a 1.0. 30 days to activate. I'm gonna do it right now. So, computer. It should detect the other drive just fine. I don't need my external hard drive plugged in anymore, so eject that. But yeah, we're gonna go to this. Users, me, continue. Wow, it was added at 8/25/2011. Hurry up, I don't got all day, and that's not correct. That's in Eastern time, not Central time. There's nothing in here. Then I'm gonna need to get my other flash drive, which has a lot of programs on it, and I'm gonna get like 3 of them. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna get Firefox on here first. For when I decide to connect this Windows Vista system to the internet. Even though if I'm doing web browsing, I'd rather do it on Windows 7 Superlight. So yeah, we're just gonna get a few programs installed. I don't know if Windows Loader is gonna work on Windows Vista. I might need to look one up. I might need to look one up, honestly. Yeah, I hate when Windows Vista gives me a UAC prompt like every single time I open a system. Open something. Yeah, standard. This is Windows Vista. Let me know if, yeah, again, let me know any video ideas that I should do with this system. Not this system, that's not getting any, that's only getting one video. No, there's literally no point in running Firefox now. Now I can get rid of this. Next, Windows Loader. I don't know if it'll work on Windows Vista though. But we'll see. Install. That's the key. This is a product key that won't work. Just, you guys can use it. It just won't work. This program is literally so useful. I'm gonna always keep it on one of my flash drives, so I can get a computer activated. Because I got Windows 7 Superlight activated in the last video, and I also used it on the Windows 7 Superlight install. Yeah, this is from May 28th, 2002. Sorry for making this so long. I really should cut this, because I don't want the video being too long. Okay, we got something. Yeah, we're gonna restart later. Now we're gonna get WinRAR. I trust this program, and I don't even know if it's gonna be oh yeah, it will be. That's perfect. Of course. Oh Lord. Windows Vista, you suck. WinRAR, this version of WinRAR works on Windows Vista. That's amazing. I'm gonna make a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Love you guys. Bye.